Find the sum of the lengths of the parallel sides of a trapezium whose altitude is 11 centimeters and whose area is 0.55 meters square. Here, what is the trapezium? This is the trapezium where two sides are parallel and remaining two sides are either they are congruent or not congruent. If they are congruent, then it's called as regular trapezium. If they are not congruent, then it's called as a normal trapezium. So what is given? We have to find the sides, sum of the sides. This S1 plus S2 and this H is given and the area is given. So what is the formula for area? So area of trapezium equals to half into S1 plus S2 into H. So 55 equals to 1 upon 2 into S1 plus S2 into H is 11. So 55 is what? This is here 0.55 meter square and this is in centimeter. So we'll convert meter square to centimeter. Firstly remember, this is in meter square and this height is in centimeter. So convert meter square to centimeter. Meter square equals to meter into meter equals to 100 by 100 cm square, that is 10,000 cm square. Therefore what are we given? 0.55 meter square equals to 0.55 into 10,000, it becomes 5,500 cm square. So the area in centimeters is 5500 cm square. Why did we convert it? Because height is in centimeters. So 5500 equals to 1 upon 2 into S1 plus S2 into H. Now that is 11. So 1 upon 2 into S1 plus S2 into 11. So S1 plus S2 equals, this 2 goes on this side and it becomes upon into 11 goes on this side, it becomes upon. So 11 1 the 5 is 500, that becomes 1100 upon 11. So it becomes 1000 centimeter equals to 10 meter. So S1 plus S2 equals to either 1000 centimeter or 10 meter, whatever may be given in the exam. Check the units and tick mark accordingly.